Hey, so if you're a freelancer and you want to stay organized in 2026, this guide is going to help a lot. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how to use ClickUp to manage clients, projects, and daily work without feeling overwhelmed. All right, first things first, open your browser and go to ClickUp. From there, log in using your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land inside your workspace. And yeah, this is where everything starts. Now, as a freelancer, the best move is creating a dedicated space just for client work. This keeps personal tasks separate and makes your workflow way cleaner. Inside that space, you can create lists for each client or each project. So, for example, one list for web design, another for content writing, or even monthly retainers. Next up, start adding tasks. Each task should represent a real deliverable, like writing a draft, designing a page, revising feedback, or sending an invoice. Make sure to set due dates because deadlines sneak up fast when you're juggling multiple clients. ClickUp also lets you track progress using statuses like to do, in progress, and completed. This is super useful because at a glance, you can see exactly what needs attention today and what's already done. You can also set task priorities, which honestly helps a lot when everything feels urgent. Now let's talk views. ClickUp gives you list view, board view, and calendar view. A list view is great for detailed planning. Board view feels more visual, kind of like moving cards. And calendar view is perfect for tracking deadlines across the week. So yeah, just use whatever fits your style. If you bill clients hourly, ClickUp's time tracking feature is a big win. You can track time directly on tasks, which makes invoicing easier and gives you a clear picture of how your time is actually being spent. And that's basically it. With ClickUp, freelancers can manage clients, tasks, deadlines, and time all in one place. It's flexible, scalable, and honestly, it grows with you as your freelance business grows. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Share it with another freelancer who might need this, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one.